goal with this activity is to loosen up the hips and the torso. It's a really good move for introducing the hinge. If you have any straight leg raise limitations, here's what you're going to do. You're going to kneel on something. I would put a ball between the knees or a yoga block, something like that. Hands are going to be up against the wall. You're going to look straight at the wall. You want to give the ball a gentle squeeze. You're going to take a silent inhale through the nose. Exhale, you want to keep your eyes fixated on the wall, but you're going to walk your hands down and push your hips back like so. Once you get like a little stretch in the back of the hip, it's not going to be dramatic. A lot of you might not feel it. That's okay. You're going to hold this position and breathe. Silent in through the nose. Exhale. Just give a gentle push to aid in pushing the hips backwards like you're opening a door with your rear. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.